Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will cover organic and paid methods of marketing. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Videos are everywhere. And though there is much to be said about sales videos and video ads, organic videos are the ones that are most dominating today. There are many platforms to apply a competent organic video marketing strategy, but here are the top two. YouTube. With over 2 billion users, there's no question that YouTube is king when it comes to video marketing. Having a user base with almost one half of all internet users, YouTube's videos generate 1 billion hours of watch time every day. However, what makes YouTube such a powerful marketing tool is that it's a dual platform. On one hand, it acts as a social media giant, while the other hand serves as the second largest search engine behind Google. With YouTube, marketers can use plenty of strategies to create engagement. First, there is the vlog, or the video blog model. In this model, a person or business uploads content on a regular basis with the same concept of blogs. These videos are usually organic and not sales related. Vlogs can be anything from daily motivation to product reviews, as well as informative content like how-to videos and more. Facebook. A worthy competitor of YouTube has now been a viable option for placing organic video marketing. Facebook, the world's #1 social media giant, has now been expanding its video sharing engines and creates a huge impact on watch time as many users are more active on their app or site. Moreover, what makes Facebook have an upper hand against YouTube is that people can browse their feed while watching videos and hit the share button simultaneously. If you haven't noticed, Facebook videos are actually placed strategically to attract attention. As you scroll down to your feed, videos will usually autoplay with no audio, allowing you to have a glimpse of what the content is. This catches the eyes of the viewers, as they will become more likely to stop and watch it. No wonder why Facebook video posts create the highest levels of engagement. In addition to its accessibility, Facebook revolutionized live video broadcasting. With a click of a button, users can broadcast themselves in real time. Another great feature of Facebook Live is that it notifies your followers that your video is currently live, encouraging them to jump in and watch your broadcast. This allows you to have a sudden sizable viewership. Followers can also express their thoughts in real time by sharing their comments and reactions. With these major developments, Facebook has become an effective and in-demand channel for organic video marketing. If you're looking for a surefire strategy to establish your brand's visibility and gain followership, organic video marketing is your buddy. However, when it comes to generating leads and converting them to paying customers, paid video advertising is king. What are the most popular video ads right now? Here are the big three. YouTube ads. YouTube ads are probably the most popular form of video ads. From a marketer's perspective, these ads are a foolproof way to create new leads. With YouTube ads, you can plug your video ads in the beginning, the end, or even in the middle portions of any YouTube video. All you need is your own video to use as a video ad, and that's it. You can then insert it on any video hosted by YouTube. One thing you might not know about YouTube ads is how the paying system works. Almost all YouTube ads contain the magical skip ad button, which allows users to skip the ads, usually after 5 seconds. However, the way YouTube works is that marketers will only get to pay the ads if the viewers watch beyond the 30-second mark of your video. If a person clicks skip ad before 30 seconds, you pay nothing. This means that despite the majority of skippers, you're basically increasing brand awareness for free This also means you'll only pay a very small amount of money for people who actually take the time to watch the ad. There are a handful of ways where you can strategically use YouTube ads. These strategies can include keyword searches, consumer behavior, and relying on demographics such as age, gender, and location. However, the real approach for effective advertising is by placing ads in specific videos or channels. This means having the option to display ads on relevant content or even competing product videos. Furthermore, since YouTube ads are technically part of Google Ads, you can turn your videos into targeted ads by using Google's algorithm. This means that when someone visits your sales page but didn't show engagement, you can use YouTube to display the ads for your product when they're about to watch a video to re-engage with them. Google Display Network Ads. Besides audience targeting, Google also created the Google Display Network, or GDN, which allows you to place your ads on over 2 million websites, videos, and apps. Display network ads reach over 90% of internet users worldwide, which basically makes your ads visible everywhere. With Display Network, you can display your ads on specific and relevant sites and apps to a targeted demographic. Facebook ads. Facebook video ads have become increasingly more effective as more and more people prefer to watch videos on the platform itself rather than opening a new tab or switching to another app. Moreover, another feature of Facebook ads besides targeting is its autoplay feature. This means that when a user clicks on a video, your ads will automatically start playing. And unlike YouTube, Facebook ads are unskippable, which makes your ads more noticeable and creates high engagement rates.